Hello friends, today we're going to make a paper airplane. So you start off by folding this in half horizontally. So you come up with the same shape, but it's just a bit smaller. And you just seal it. And then you flip it back and you see there has to be no space. So if there is space, just pull it up and then seal it again. And then reopen it. And then see this line? Fold this down on the line. And then do that. And then do the same thing on the other one. And then fold this down. So you see this? These corners are pointing there. And then you fold this down like this on the line. I can fold this on the line. And then do the same thing on the other one, on the line. And it has to be touching the other one. And now do that. And then see this thing? Pull this up. So you come up with the shape. Flip it over. And then you're not done. But now you do this. So you come up with this shape. And now you make the wings. So the wings have to be touching right here. And then you do that. Flip it over. Do the same thing right here. And then there. And you have a plane. And you could test it. It looks like this. Bye.